Hi everyone, I'm Emily, and today we're going to go through the homework, which is drawing two triangles, one with a for loop and one with a while loop. So first we're going to import our turtle module, and then we're going to create a turtle. We're going to use the word pen, turtle, dot turtle. And then we're going to draw the first triangle using a for loop. First, we're going to lift up the pen, so pen dot pen up. And then we're going to move the pen to the location we want to. I'm going to put pen go to, and I'm going to do negative 150 in the x-axis and then 0 for the y-axis. And then we're going to do pen dot pen down to set down the pen. And then use the color name to determine the color. For this, I'm going to color it red. So pen dot fill color, I'm going to use red. And then pen dot begin fill. So then we're going to use a for loop. It's going to repeat 3 times for each side. For I in range 3, since there are 3 sides of a triangle, first we're going to make the pen go forward. I'm going to do like 100. Afterwards, we're going to have the pen rotate left of 120 degrees. And then it's going to repeat this and it again. And then we're going to have pen dot end underscore fill. Right. So for the second triangle, we're going to draw this one using a while loop. First, we're going to move our pen location again, so pen dot pen up. And then we're going to move the position of the pen. So I'm going to do pen go to, and I'm going to do 0, 0. Then we're going to put down the pen, so this is pen dot pen down. So then we're going to use RGB values to determine this color. And I'm going to do pen dot fill color. And this is the coordinates of the colors I'm going to use. After that, we're going to begin to draw the shape. So I'm going to do pen dot begin underscore fill. And then we're going to use a counter. It starts with how many? So initially we have none of the triangle drawn. So I'm going to start with side equals 0. Sides equals 0. Then I'm going to use a while loop. And so while sides is less than 3, to draw 3 sides, we start off with 0 sides, and then we draw one more, and then we draw one more. And then after that, we see that we have drawn 3 sides, and so we want the program to stop here. So we're going to move the pen forward, so pen dot forward 100, and then we're going to have the pen rotate direction, so pen dot left 120. And this will repeat, and then I'm going to do sides plus 1. So it's going to take the current value of the number of sides and add 1. So originally start with 0. The first time it runs it through, it adds 1. Second time it runs it through, it adds 2. And the third time, sides equals 3. And we see that sides is not less than or equal to 3. And so the loop stops. And after that, we're going to do pen dot end underscore fill. I see I made a typo right here. Sorry, guys. All right, there we go. Yes, initially I meant to set the pen equal to the value, not pen dot turtle dot turtle. Thank you guys and have a good week.